Have you ever looked up at the star-drenched night sky and felt like someone or something was looking back? Welcome to Whale Facts, where we dive into the biggest mysteries of the deep sea and the even deeper space. In 1950, over a casual lunch at the Los Alamos National Laboratory, legendary physicist Enrico Fermi dropped a bombshell question that still haunts scientists today. Where is everybody? Think about it. The universe is massive, ancient, and theoretically crawling with life. So why is it so eerily quiet? Today, we're cracking open the Fermi Paradox. Buckle up, because the answers range from "we're special" to "we're totally doomed." To understand why Fermi was so confused, we need to talk about the scale of the cosmos. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is home to anywhere between 100 to 400 billion stars. Now, let's do some cosmic math. For every grain of sand on every beach on Earth, there were about 10,000 stars out there. Even if only a tiny fraction of those stars have Earth-like planets, and an even tinier fraction of those planets develop life, we should still be seeing thousands of galactic civilizations. This is where the Drake equation comes in. It's a probabilistic formula used to estimate the number of active, communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in our galaxy. By most conservative estimates, the Milky Way should be a bustling metropolis of alien radio signals, megastructures, and interstellar travelers. Imagine you're on the cosmic version of Tinder. You've set your radius to the entire universe. Based on the data, you should have millions of matches. You're swiping right, looking for a sign, a hey, or even just a weird gift. But instead, absolute silence. No messages, no likes, not even a scene receipt. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old. Earth is relatively young at 4.5 billion years. There has been more than enough time for an older civilization to colonize the entire galaxy, even at sub-light speeds. They should have been here by now. So the mathematical reality clashes violently with our physical reality. The numbers say the room is crowded, but our eyes tell us we're standing in an empty, dark hall. One of the most terrifying solutions to this silence is a concept called the Great Filter. Think of life as a high-stakes obstacle course or an impossible video game level. To go from a puddle of chemicals to a spacefaring civilization, life must pass several evolutionary hurdles. The Great Filter is a step so difficult that almost no one makes it through. Now, there are two ways to look at this, and one is much scarier than the other. First, the optimistic view. The filter is behind us. Maybe the jump from simple cells to complex multicellular organisms is nearly impossible. Or perhaps the development of a large, analytical brain is a 1 in a trillion fluke. If this is true, we've already cleared the hardest part of the game. We are the chosen ones who survived the cosmic lottery, and the universe is ours to taking. Then there's the pessimistic view. The filter is ahead of us. This suggests that many civilizations reach our current level of technology, but then they hit a wall and go extinct. What could that wall be? It could be the invention of artificial intelligence that turns on its creators, a global nuclear holocaust, or a runaway climate collapse. Think about it. We've only had radio technology for about 100 years, and we've already invented enough nukes to reset the planet a dozen times. If every civilization hits a technological puberty and destroys itself before it can reach the stars, that would explain the silence. It's a chilling thought. The reason we haven't heard from anyone else is because they all died trying to reach where we are right now. If the Great Filter didn't scare you enough, let's talk about a theory that makes the silence feel a lot more sinister. This is the dark forest theory, popularized by sci-fi legend Cixin Liu. Imagine the universe as a pitch-black forest at night. This forest is filled with armed hunters crawling through the trees like ghosts. Each hunter has to be extremely careful, because in this forest, survival is the only goal. If a hunter finds another life form, another hunter, a flickering campfire, or even a small bird, there's only one logical thing to do: eliminate it before it eliminates you. Why? Because in the cosmic game of survival, you can never truly know the intentions of another civilization. This is the chain of suspicion. Even if they seem peaceful now, their technology could expand exponentially in a few centuries, making them a threat. To ensure your own survival, you strike first. In this scenario, the universe isn't empty, it's just quiet. Every advanced civilization out there is hiding in the shadows, holding their breath and praying no one notices them. Meanwhile, here we are, humanity, screaming our heads off. We've been blasting radio waves into space for about 100 years, and we even sent the Voyager probes with a golden record that basically says, hey, here's our address, what we look like, and how to find our planet. In the dark forest, that's not an invitation to a party, it's a beacon for a predator. If this theory is right, the reason we haven't heard from anyone isn't that they aren't there, it's because they're way smarter than us, and they know that keeping your mouth shut is the only way to stay alive. But hey, maybe it's not all doom and gloom. Maybe we're just being watched. This is the zoo hypothesis. It suggests that advanced aliens are well aware of us, but they've collectively agreed to treat Earth like a protected wildlife sanctuary or a galactic reality TV show. They might be parked in our solar system right now, using cloaking technology, watching us argue on the internet while they munch on some space popcorn. They won't make contact until we reach a certain level of maturity, or maybe they're just waiting for the season finale. Alternatively, we have to consider the rare Earth hypothesis. This is the ultimate, I'm not like other girls for our planet. It argues that while planets are common, complex life requires a perfect storm of conditions that are incredibly rare. Think about our setup. We have a massive moon that stabilizes our planet's tilt, giving us steady seasons. We have a powerful magnetic field that prevents the sun from frying us like a piece of bacon. We have Jupiter, our big brother, whose massive gravity acts as a cosmic vacuum cleaner, sucking up most of the asteroids that would otherwise smash into Earth. And we're located in the Goldilocks zone of a very stable star. If any one of these factors were missing, we wouldn't be here. Maybe the universe is silent because developing intelligence isn't just hard, it's a 1 in a septillion miracle. We might not be the first or the last, but we might be the only ones currently online in our entire corner of the universe. Lastly, we have the boring explanations, the ones that don't involve alien hunters or cosmic zoos, but just plain old physics. First, space is mind-bogglingly big. Even at the speed of light, it takes 4 years to reach the nearest star. A signal from the other side of the galaxy would take 100,000 years to reach us. We've only been listening for about 60 to 70 years. In cosmic terms, that's less than a blink of an eye. We're like a guy who walks on a beach, sticks his toe in the water for 1 second, and says, yep, no fish in the ocean. Second, there's the technology mismatch. We're looking for radio waves, but radio might be considered Stone Age technology to an advanced race. They could be communicating via neutrinos, gravitational waves, or entangled particles that we can't even detect yet. We're effectively trying to join a 5G Zoom call using a smoke signal. They might be shouting all around us, but we're just tuned in to the wrong frequency. So what's the answer? Are we the lucky survivors of a cosmic lottery, or are we just being way too loud in a very dangerous neighborhood? Whether the universe is a silent graveyard, a hidden zoo, or just a really big room where we haven't found the light switch yet, the mystery is what makes being human so exciting. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the cosmic silence, make sure to splash that like button and subscribe to Whale Facts to join our pod of curious explorers. What do you think? Are they out there hiding, or are we truly alone in the dark? Drop your wildest theories in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep looking at the stars, because the truth is out there.